Hello everyone, I am Chase, the Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Swing Arm Bearing Kit from Tusk. Alright, today we're giving you a closer look at the Swing Arm Bearing Kit coming from Tusk. The time has come for you to replace the bearings in your swing arm and you're looking for a direct OEM replacement kit that is high quality at a great price point, then this kit is just what you're looking for. Now when it comes to bearings, doesn't matter which one, whether it's your swing arm, your linkage, your steering stem, your wheel bearings, maybe your A-arms, it's very important that you are doing the proper maintenance on your bearings. But unfortunately, it is one of those jobs that's pretty often overlooked. And no matter how little or how often you're performing that maintenance, you just have to remember that over time, bearings, they're gonna wear out. But if you are maintaining them properly, that is going to add to the longevity of those bearings. But in any case, it's very important that you are periodically checking those. Now, when it comes to your swing arm, what you can do to check is you can put your bike on a stand and you want to check to see if there's any side-to-side play in that swing arm pivot point. If you feel like there is some of that side-to-side play, that is a good indicator that it's time to replace those bearings. What I like to do is every time that I wash my bike, I put on the stand, I like to go through thoroughly and just visually inspect everything, make sure everything's in good shape, make sure nothing's loose. That way I know that everything is in good working condition. And if your seals get compromised, well, this means that dirt, sand, water can work its way in there, which can affect the performance and ultimately can ruin the bearing. And something else we commonly see is that if you don't have enough grease in your bearing, if you don't have enough grease, that can lead to premature wear, and again, that could ultimately ruin the bearing. So it goes without saying, very important, look at your service manual. They will give recommendations of how often you should be servicing and looking at your bearings. But like I said, every time I wash my bike, I like to give an inspection just to make sure everything's in good working condition. Now, like I mentioned earlier, everything that you're gonna need is going to come in this kit. So it's gonna have your new pins, your spacers, your seals, and your bearings. It's also very important though that when you are installing this kit, okay, the bearings are not going to come greased, so make sure if you don't have some already, pick up a high quality grease and you want to grease these as you're putting them in. Also, you're going to need the proper tools for the job. So at Rocky Mountain, we have all the tools that you are going to need to remove and install your new bearing kit. But if you do have any other questions or comments about that, you can leave those below and we'll get your questions answered. So there it is. If you're looking for, again, a swing arm bearing kit, high quality, great price point, this is an awesome route to take. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. From our homepage, you can just enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike. As you scroll down, you will see this kit. Or if you're already on the product page, just make sure you enter the bike's information there. That will ensure that you get the proper kit with all the parts that you are going to need. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this video and you want to see more just like it, along with all our great how-to videos, well, make sure you get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.